Kenyan President William Ruto has extended his congratulations to Donald Trump for his successful return to the U.S. presidency, where Trump defeated Vice President Kamala Harris in a highly contested election. Ruto's congratulatory message comes shortly after a recent state visit to the United States, where he had the opportunity to interact with Harris alongside President Joe Biden. In a message shared on social media, President Ruto expressed Kenya's commitment to strengthening its partnership with the United States under Trump's renewed leadership. His statement read, "Your Excellency, President Donald J. Trump, on behalf of the government and the people of the Republic of Kenya, and on my own behalf, I convey to Your Excellency my warmest congratulations on your election as the 47th President of the United States of America. Your victory is a testament to the firm resolve of the American people to repose confidence in your visionary, bold, and innovative leadership. As you embark on this phase of your journey of leadership, Kenya stands ready to further enhance our cooperation on matters of mutual interest, including trade, investment, technology and innovation, peace and security, and sustainable development. Kenya values its long-standing partnership with the United States, which has spanned over 60 years, grounded in our shared values of democracy, development, and mutual respect. We look forward to deepening our collaboration under your leadership as we work together to address global challenges, promote peace and security, and foster inclusive economic growth for the benefit of our peoples. Congratulations once again, Mr. President-elect, and may your tenure bring continued progress and unity to the United States of America and strengthen the bonds between our two great nations. Please accept, Excellency, the assurances of my highest consideration. President Ruto's warm and optimistic message highlights Kenya's eagerness to maintain and expand its bilateral ties with the United States, emphasizing areas such as economic cooperation, technology, and global security. The long-standing relationship between the two nations has been pivotal, especially in addressing regional and international issues. As Trump prepares to assume office, many are watching closely to see how his administration's policies will align with those of President Ruto. There is widespread curiosity about whether the two leaders' governance philosophies will complement each other, particularly in areas such as trade and investment, as well as global initiatives on peace and sustainable development. Observers and political analysts are eager to analyze how U.S.-Kenya relations might evolve under Trump's leadership, with some hopeful for deeper economic ties, and others cautious about potential policy shifts. As Kenya continues to play a strategic role on the African continent, Ruto's administration is poised to seek favorable partnerships with the United States that will advance the nation's developmental goals.